Want more Facebook visitors without paying for ads? Do you want more people to find and visit your Facebook page without spending money on ads? The secret is Facebook SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it helps your page appear in search results when people look for related topics. Just like websites, Facebook pages can be optimized with the right keywords, links, and settings to bring in more visitors. Many businesses use Facebook to connect with customers, but not everyone knows how to improve their page's ranking. When done right, Facebook SEO helps more people discover your page, leading to more likes, shares, and potential customers. Let's explore how you can optimize your Facebook page step by step. What is Facebook SEO and why does it matter? SEO is often associated with websites, but it also applies to social media. Think of your Facebook page as a small website inside Facebook's huge platform. The goal of Facebook SEO is to make your page more visible to people searching for businesses, products, or services like yours. The better your page is optimized, the more people will find it. Facebook has over 2.41 billion active users every month. If your page is well optimized, it has a better chance of showing up in searches, which can bring in more visitors, customers, and engagement. Whether you're a small business, a blogger, or a content creator, Facebook SEO can help you grow your audience without paying for ads. Different ways to market your business on Facebook. Facebook offers several ways to promote a business or brand. Here are some of the most popular options: Facebook ads, paid advertisements to reach a larger audience. Business pages, a public page for businesses to share content and connect with followers. Facebook Marketplace, a platform where businesses and individuals can sell products. Facebook groups, communities where businesses can interact with potential customers. Using a combination of these options can help your business grow. However, if you want to increase visibility without spending money, focusing on Facebook SEO is a great strategy. Helpful tools for Facebook SEO. To improve your Facebook page's SEO, you can use several tools. These tools help track performance, schedule posts, and analyze engagement. Here are some of the best ones. Facebook Insights shows data on likes, comments, and views to help you understand what works best. Facebook Business Suite lets you schedule posts, track performance, and manage messages in one place. Canva, a tool to create eye-catching images for posts. BuzzSumo helps find popular topics in your industry so you can create relevant content. Hootsuite schedules posts and tracks mentions to help manage your Facebook page efficiently. Bitly shortens links and tracks how many people click them. Facebook Creative Hub lets you preview ads before publishing. Using these tools can help you improve your Facebook SEO strategy and make your page more appealing to visitors. 10 tips to improve Facebook SEO. Now that you understand Facebook SEO and important, let's go over 10 simple ways to improve your page's ranking and visibility. 1. Create a custom page URL. When you create a Facebook page, it comes with a long and random URL. Changing this to a custom URL that matches your brand or business name makes it easier for people to find you. A clean and simple URL also looks more professional and trustworthy. 2. Pick a unique page name. Your page name is very important because it tells visitors and search engines what your business is about. Google looks at the first word in your page name, so choose a clear and relevant name. Avoid using too many words, special characters, or generic terms. Also, select the right category for your business to make it easier for people to find you. 3. Optimize the About section. The About section is one of the first things people see when they visit your page. This section should clearly explain what your business does and include important keywords. Make sure to describe your business simply and clearly. Include relevant keywords naturally. Add contact details and website links. 4. Use keywords wisely. Keywords are important because they help search engines understand what your page is about. However, using too many keywords can make your page look unnatural. Instead, Place keywords naturally in these areas: about section, page description, headlines, photo captions, notes, updates. 5. Provide correct contact information. Accurate contact details make your page more trustworthy. Search engines like Google also rank pages higher if they have clear and correct business details. Make sure your address, phone number, and business hours are up to date. 6. Link to your Facebook page from other websites. Getting backlinks, links from other websites to your Facebook page, increases your credibility. You can link your Facebook page to your official website. Partner with other businesses to exchange links. Write guest blogs that include links to your page. 7. Add a call to action, CTA, button. A CTA button encourages visitors to take action on your page. Depending on your business, you can choose from options like book an appointment, download the app, contact a team member, make a donation, shop for products or services. 8. Post high-quality content regularly. Posting helpful and interesting content keeps people engaged and increases likes, shares, and comments. Search engines favor pages with active engagement. Experiment with different posting times and stick to what works best for your audience. 9. Use eye-catching featured images. Bright and attractive images make your posts stand out. High-quality visuals increase engagement and make your page more appealing. Use images for customer reviews, event details, special offers, testimonials. 10. Engage with your audience. Interacting with your followers builds trust and increases engagement. Here's how you can stay active. Go live to answer questions and share updates. Reply to comments quickly. Answer customer questions. Respond to messages promptly. Final thoughts. Facebook SEO is all about using the right keywords, posting high-quality content, and building backlinks. By staying active and engaging with your audience, you can improve your page's ranking and visibility. Follow these tips to grow your page, attract more visitors, and increase engagement without spending money on ads. To summarize, here's what you need to do. Customize your About section with clear keywords. Use a CTA button to encourage action. Share eye-catching images. Post regularly and interact with followers. Link your Facebook page from other websites. By following these steps, you can make your Facebook page more successful and reach more people over time. Start your career with iCertGlobal.